Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery draining problem on TCL 605. So first go into the settings, then scroll down to Smart Manager and Battery. Here we can enable the power saving mode. Of course, we can always enable the super saving mode, but that will disable most of the features of our phone, and it will be only to use, you can only use a couple of applications, so I don't recommend it. Next thing, from the quick settings that you go into from scrolling from the top, lower the brightness level a little. We can disable the Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, location, and NFC right here if we're not using this. Also, you can always enable the airplane mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.